Let's take a look at two more problems here. Let's take a look at a three-digit number, 529, multiplied by a two-digit number, 67. I'll grab my pen here. We'll change some colors up. We know the first step is to multiply all the top numbers by the one digit's place value in the bottom number. So my first step is to multiply 7 times 9, which equals 63. So I'll place 3 below and carry my 6. Now my next step is to multiply 2 times 7. Which is 14, but I have to add the 6 that I carried over, which equals 20. So then I have 0 and carry my 2, and the last step is 5 times 7. Which equals 35. And to add the 2 that I carried over, which is 37. And since there are no more numbers to multiply in the top number, I'll place both the 3 and the 7 down. I'm going to cross the 2 and the 6 that I carried over out. And since I'm done multiplying with the one digit's place value in the bottom number, I'm going to drop a 0 and move over to the 10 digits place value. And my first step is to multiply 6 times 9. 6 times 9 equals 54. I'll put my 4 down, carry my 5. Now my next step is to multiply 2 and 6. But I have to add the 5 that I carried over. So 12 plus 5 equals 17. I'm going to carry my 1. And now I'm going to multiply 5 and 6 together. 6 by 5 equals 30. And I'm going to add 1 to that, which equals 31. And since there are no more numbers to multiply with, I'm going to place the 3 and the 1 down. I can cross out my 1 and 5 that I carried over. And now I'm going to add the numbers together. So 3 plus 0 is 3. 0 plus 4 is 4. 7 plus 7 is 14. So I'm going to place the 4 down and carry my 1 and place it above the 3 here. And 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And bring my 3 down. So I know that 529 times 67 is 35,443. Let's take 529 and multiply to, 567. So I'm just putting a 5 in front of the 67 that we just multiplied. Let's see what happens here. The process does not change too much, and you're going to find out that multiplying a 3-digit number to a 3-digit number is similar to multiplying a 3-digit number to a 2-digit number. So the first step, we're multiplying all the top numbers with the one digit's place value in the bottom number, so times 7. I think our first color will be yellow, and 9 times 7, so 9 times 7 equals 63. Put my 3 down, carry my 6. So my next step is to multiply 2 times 7, which equals 14. But I've got to add the 6 that I carried over. So 14 plus 6 equals 20. So I'll put the 0 down below, carry my 2, and 5 times 7
equals 35. Add the 2 that I carried over. Equals 37. And I'll place 37 down below.
Now my next step, I'm going to cross out the numbers that I carried over and drop a 0 in the 1 digit's place value and start multiplying the top numbers by the 10 digits place value in the bottom number. So my first step is to multiply 6 and 9 together. So 6 times 9 equals 54. I'll add my 4 down below and carry my 5 to the next number. And I know, so now I'm going to multiply the 2 and the 6 together. 6 times 2 equals 12. But I've got to add that 5 that I carried over. Which equals 17. Put the 7 down, carry my 1. And now I'm going to multiply 5 times 6. Which equals 30. But I'm going to add the 1 that I carried over. Which equals 31. I'm going to place that down below right here. So 31. And now my next step, I'm going to cross the 1 and the 5 out that I carried over. Now this next step, I'm going to drop a 0 and put it in place of the 1 digit's place value, but I'm also going to drop a second 0 because I'm getting rid of the 10 digits place value, and I'm going to multiply the top numbers by the 100 digits place value, and that's where I have to start, in the 100 digits place. So, starting with 9 times 5 equals 45. Put my 5 down below. Carry my 4. Now 2 times 5 equals 10, which equals 10. But I've got to add the 4 that I carried over. Which equals 14. So I'll put my 4 down. I'm going to clean this up a little bit here. I'm going to delete the 3 and rewrite it. So my last answer, I got 14. I placed my 4 down, and I've got to carry my 1. Now my last step, I'm going to multiply 5 and 5 together. So 5 times 5 equals 25. And add the 1 that I carried over equals 26. Since there are no more numbers to multiply, I'll put both numbers down below the line. And now let's add this number together. Starting with the 1 digits place value, I have 3 plus 0 is 3. Moving over to the 10 digits place value, I have 0 plus 0 is 4. 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 5 is 19. So now I'm going to carry my 1 and place it above this 3 here. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 1 is 5, plus 4 is 9. And 3 plus 6 is 9. And then drop the 2. And my final value for 529 times 567 is 299,943.